Hello and welcome. Today I am heading over to my mom's house to plant up her garden, and I got lots of beautiful flowers to add to her garden. So let me show you here. The first one is this Veronica, this gorgeous purple Veronica. I got 3 of those. And then I got some dianthus. These I am using these as more of a backup if I need to fill in some spaces. I got this beautiful columbine. It is this double, which I absolutely fell in love with, and maybe one day I'll come and take some cuttings from her. Clementine red columbine. I have this pot to add to her garden. This one I'll let her decide if she wants to have. And I got 2 of the columbines. And I did dig up these liriopes to give to her because the bunnies keep eating them here, and she lives in an area, more of a city-like area, so she doesn't have to deal with rabbits and deer, and as well as the coreopsis is going over to her house as well. I am not giving her any of my winter sown seeds just because she is not a gardener. So I want to make it easy. I'm trying to choose plants that are fairly easy to handle and take care of. I'll probably go there and do spring cleanup and fall cleanup, but I don't want to give her these baby plants that are not going to flower till next year. So I do want her to have some flowers in the garden this year and actual mature plants. So with that, I did pick this up at Walmart. I actually fell in love with this. This is not deer resistant, so I did not buy any for myself, but there is the name. I have not heard of this plant before. It reminded me though of the alliums that I have, but this is much tinier, a smaller little pom-pom. Loved it. So sweet. And then there is this Spanish lavender, which that will go in that big pot there. So hopefully it'll fill in. I'll probably put in some of this Dusty Miller that I got in that pot as well. And then I got some more Dusty Miller here. I have these little English daisies. I thought these were so adorable, so tiny and cute. And then I got these 2 lupins. These are what are they? Gallery red. I know somewhere else it said raspberry red, but anyway, so these 2 lupins. So I also will be bringing some yarrow that I dug up from my yard, and then I also have some daisies. They're in the Shasta daisy family, but they're a compact variety, so they don't get as tall, and I think that will work better. A lot of these lower, shorter plants I think will do better in her type of garden. And so yeah, so I'm excited to bring these to her and plant them up in her garden. So we'll see you there, and I will show you the before and after of the transformation of her front garden. So here is the car all packed up with all the plants and lots to bring to Mom's house. Here I am at my parents' house, and this is their front garden. It's very small, but I want to give her an instant garden. So I brought a lot of things, and we'll have to take out a bunch of stuff. I'm assuming these are all weeds, but yeah. All right, let's get started.